Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to my frugality channel, Skint Living UK. I just had a busy day today and I thought, I'll share it with my lovelies. So I've just been checking on my top cashback because I bought a washing machine this week because my other one died after 4 years. I know, it was gutted. And they've updated how much they're giving me. They're going to give me £7.48. Originally it was £2 and something, and now it's gone up to £7. So near enough £7.50 I'm getting back off them. I have no idea why it says £2.24 because the price of the washing machine was £2.69. But to get nearly £7.50 back, that's okay. I'm happy about that. I'll show you the washing machine I got on the site. I just thought, let's have a look at the highest price machine they do. £2,450. How can they justify that? And the thing is, these days, because planned obsolescence, built-in obsolescence is a thing, you could spend that amount of money, and how long's that going to last? So I obviously went for the cheaper end because I'm cash strapped at the moment because I'm just spending all my money on the house. Hopefully get it up for sale soon. So the cheapest they've got is £1.99. And the one I got, let's scroll up. Here's it. There it is. So I got a Hot Point Anti-Stain NSWR. So it was £2.69 and I got £30 off. So with the £30 and the £7.50, I saved £37.50, 48. So I'm pleased about that. Got me Puss. I've got Puss in today because I had a few people saying, oh, the cat's not been in your videos lately. So there you go. I've crowbarred her in. She's on scrougy mood because she can smell food on me because I've just given the dog a sausage roll. I've walked into Old Swan today, if you know Liverpool at all. So it's a central location. And I thought, right, I've got to go and get some wood for my Welsh dresser that I'm renovating. And it's sort of halfway to it's on Edge Lane, if you know Edge Lane at all, which is the main road that takes you to the motorway. And that's where B&Q is, where I got my wood. And I got that on the way back because I walked into the Old Swan itself, and I had to look in second-hand shops, charity shops, nothing doing. And then I went into the Pound Bakery and I got me some 3 veggie sausage rolls. And I got the dog a sausage roll as well. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I didn't get anything because I got some bits from Home Bargains because I was hoping to find me coffee and other bits in the Home Bargains at Old Swan, and there was no coffee. So I'm resigned to it now. I'm just going to have to go and get some from Aldi because the Asda ones are like £6.50 and I won't be paying that. No, right, Puss? You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Right, I just give you a little look, see. Oh, I'm shattered. Getting the dog woke me up early today, so I'm just like running on empty. So I'm going to feed my face in a minute. So this is my dresser top. I got on top of my trunk / coffee table, and I'm going to replace the back because whoever painted it first left all these wavy rubbishy lines on, and I sort of give it a paint wash. I'm going to knock that off, and I'm going to replace it with tongue and groove. So I got a big packet today on the way home from the Swan, and that was £15.20. I got some offcuts there, which I'll show you I'm going to use for in a minute. And I got this packet the other week. I think it was £7.82, something like that. Just under £8, and this one's just over £15. I needed a bigger piece because the archway at the top is quite big. Because when I tried to do it with the smaller pieces, it wasn't gonna be long enough. So yeah, look. Yeah. So I'm hoping that'll be enough I've got some offcuts in my bag here. And other bits lying around of wood because I've got a couple of woodworking jobs to do. As you know, I've got to block my pipes in. So I haven't done that because yesterday it was all the faff with the washing machine. I'm going to do a short about the washing machine because to tell you. So this is the base that I made myself because I bought the dresser online for £10 on eBay when we first moved in here in 2020. And I made a base because there's a little narrow gap here. So it's nice to give you an opportunity to see. Look. So there's the door to my pantry and there's a little, like a narrow gap here. Now in the old days there would have been a built-in cupboard because when a house went up for sale the other year, you could see the cupboard that was there originally. It had 2 doors at the bottom of the drawer and 2 glazed doors at the top. Absolutely beautiful in this little space. So this is where my dresser usually lives. And yeah, so it had to be narrow. So this is why it's narrow, and it's been made from skirtings. You can see the shape there. Skirtings and a little bit of wood left over and tongue and groove. And as you can see, I ran out of it at the back because these pieces were off the wall. Because when I was putting tongue and groove panelling on my kitchen wall, I had loads of bits left, and I thought, well, I'll use it for the back of my dresser. And then when I got down here, there was none left. So I'm hoping the offcuts and whatever's will be enough to go there, and then it'll be a job done. So yeah, so I'll show you my washing machine. Look, these are all the tins that my dresser isn't surprising. That's just on the bottom 2 shelves there. It's amazing what you can squeeze in if you're determined, and it's only slim as well. See, if you look over there, you can see how slim that gap is. And I've got all them tins and jars in. Yeah, here's my washing machine. Da, da, da. So yeah, it was a bit of a faff yesterday, but I got it done. And watch out for the short where I'll give you a little bit more details. I'm just glad to see you now. Yeah, so I went to there's my receipt, me 15.20 from me wood today, B&Q. There's 3 veggie sausage rolls for my son, that was £3. Went to Own Bargains, the Old Swan one, and I spent £19.11. I've got a bath sheet, so that's going to be hung on my little towel rail thing that I showed you yesterday, the chrome one. So it looks like a bathroom when the estate agent comes to take photos and whatever. And this will go in my son's treasure box that he doesn't know he's got. Shh, because he doesn't watch my videos, my youngest, so I can say whatever I like, he's oblivious. So I'll show you what I got. I got my son the Muller Crunch yogurt. They actually had it in this one there, the flavours he likes. They were £2.49, still £3.80 in Asda. I got a custardy crown, so I'm going to munch that in a minute because I need a boost of sugar. They look really nice. I love anything with custard, as you know. Vanilla crown with nuts, 89p. That's not 2 pack. Oh, there's 2 in there. Oh, fat lordy things. I'll have one for brekkie. With lashings of coffee. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I didn't know there was 2. I got some doggy bags. Asda, because I was looking the other day, do exactly the same bags for £1.79 and the 59p in Own Bargains. So literally you could buy 3 for the price that Asda are charging. And the bigger and the thicker and the stronger, and 59p. So if you're in the market for doggy bags, I definitely recommend Home Bargains. I got 3 baguettes. They were 79p because that's why I didn't get pasties or sausage rolls. I'm going to cut them in half and I'm going to have cheese on toast. This is the bread for it. It also makes a nice change because I usually make bread in the bread maker, and I just thought break it up and I'll have a little baguette and I'll throw some cheese on, and I'll probably have a bit of a salad and thing, make it into a proper meal. So that'll be yummy, yummy, yummy. What else did I get? Oh, I got some salt. I like to have a couple of spare ones. I've got 1 spare one, so now I've got 2. That was 89p, so I think that's a good price for salt. Got my usual soap spray one because my son seems to have got through lashings of it. I don't know what he's doing. Maybe he's eating it. 149. My towel, my deluxe bath sheet in charcoal. Makes it sound nice. It was $7.99. They do 2 bath sheets that are thinner for $9.99 if you want a couple of thin ones. This is still pretty thin anyway, but for £8 I thought it looks nice, soft and fluffy, and it'll look good on the shelf when they come to see the bathroom. And I was absolutely chuffed. They had me lip balms because this time of the year I like them with an SPF on because your lips get cooked, don't they? Vegan friendly and all the rest of it, and these are $1.99, so they'll do me all summer so my lips won't get cooked, because it sort of defeats the point me putting Vaseline on because the Vaseline is cooking my lips. And as a treat for myself, I got myself some paintbrushes because ages ago my son got me fabric paints that look like watercolours. I'm going to use them, and I'm going to have a go at painting some furniture. I'm going to put some flowers and leaves and all that sort of thing, make it folk art on my shoe rack and see how that goes. And I might even put some on this shelf that I made ages ago because I put the scallop trim on this a few months ago, and I think, ooh, that's crying out for some leaves or flowers, isn't it? Daisies maybe, I don't know, we'll see. So I hope these paintbrushes are good, and they were only $1.99. I thought that was good going. They had another set that looked better quality. I think they were $4.99, but I'm a cheapskate. So I thought I'll give it a go. So yes, I'm going to feed my face with my cheese on toast now, and my custardy crown. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I love a bit of custard. And I'm going to do my woodworking tomorrow because I'm shattered, because the dog had me up at 4 o'clock. And then the cat was me. I brought the dog up because she was all sad and lonely because she's like separation anxiety. My dog, she sulks and does a little bit of a howl, so the neighbours must be thinking, oh God, she's got wolves in there. And I brought the dog up so she could have a cuddle and fall asleep, so she passed out. And then about 45 minutes later, the cat's outside my room meowing, and you're like, oh God, because the cat didn't want to come in my room last night because usually she comes to bed with me, and I think with all the hoo-ha over the washing machine and men being in taking the old one away and all the rest of it, and me faffing about doing stuff while I was sassafracking as you can imagine, and she was sulking, so she stayed in the living room. So I thought it's okay, she's there for the night. And then because the dog was whinging and the cat wasn't in my room, I thought I'll bring the dog up. And then she must have heard me, and she's like, oh, how dare you, you unloyal person, you disloyal person. So yeah, so I'm absolutely shattered now. So yeah, enough of me rambling. So hopefully I'll get this dresser done. I didn't intend to do it till everything else was done, but because I had to pull it out because the gap was too narrow for them to get the old wash machine out and the new one in. Here's the dog there. She's happy bunny, surrounded by crumbs off a sausage roll. And I'll make a start on this tomorrow, and then hopefully I hope there'll be enough offcuts to sort of plug me hole up. Pardon the expression, that sounds wrong. So hope to see you soon. Please like, share, subscribe and all the doodads. Please leave a thumbs up or a comment because that helps YouTube algorithm to realise that I exist, because it doesn't seem to at the moment. I don't seem to be getting much past 400 or 500 views. I don't know what. I must be really dull. Yeah, so I'm like, yeah, maybe my life's dull because me channel's called Skint Living, and it's just the way I live. Maybe they don't like people being skint. Maybe they want you to pretend you're skint, but the reality is I'm genuinely skint. Anyway, I'm rambling now. So hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.